Remarkable evolution of gasoline engine. Theta 2.4 GDI engine. Hyundai Motor opens a new era in gasoline engine technology. Theta 2.4 GDI engine is optimized to deliver the best quality. Full floating piston and cooling jet to reinforce durability. Balanced shaft module for NVH improvement. Roller type chain system that minimizes friction. And dual CVVT system for excellent fuel efficiency and performance. Theta 2.4 GDI engine realizes the high efficiency and performance through the precise engine control. Right after the engine is cranked for the start, the fuel pressure steeply increases up to 100 bar. The precise amount of fuel is directly injected into the cylinder. Thanks to the optimized wide bowl on the piston and the injection during the compression stroke, an optimal mixture of the fuel and air is formed near the spark plug, and this leads to a clean ignition. After the start, the split injection helps to obtain a stable combustion, even with the late ignition, to increase the exhaust energy. This increased exhaust energy lights off the catalyst faster by more than 50%. Thanks to the fast light off, the exhaust emission is reduced. In normal driving conditions, the engine is controlled for the best performance and fuel economy. The latent heat of evaporating fuel cools down the in-cylinder air. This cooling effect leads to 7 to 12% improvement in the performance. Theta 2.4 GDI engine delivers 200 horsepower, which is the world best in class. The most refined GDI engine in the world, Theta 2.4 GDI. Hyundai Motor pursues the art of technology.